Christophe from the Très Bon Restaurant in Bangalore, and today I'm very excited to share with you the recipe of la Tarte Flambée, the Flammenküche recipe from my place, my village in France. This is a bonus today. It's a free recipe, so we have to start with what? First of all, wash your hands. Okay, so let's make the dough. For the dough, I need pizza flour, 200 grams of pizza flour. I need the dry yeast, 11 grams. I need a pinch of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 100 ml of olive oil. And of course, water, which is 120 ml. Let's put the flour on the table. On the table, please, not on the ground. Et voilà. Let's make a little bay using a plastic spatula. Like this. Nice and large bay. So we can't go to the beach together, so we can make a bay here. Voilà. Now, I will put in the middle the dry yeast. Now, we will put on the edge of the flour sugar and salt. Why we have to separate the dry yeast from sugar and salt? It's because sugar and salt can kill the yeast. Around the dry yeast, I will now pour the olive oil. What's missing? Eh oui, the water. All around. I just keep a little bit in a jug, just in case, if I need a little bit more later. Sometimes some flour absorbs more than the other. I think that's enough to start. And now, with my spatula, I will start to combine all the ingredients. Pour the flour on top of the liquid. It's the time to use my fingers, will be very, very sticky. Aha! So I just dissolve now the yeast. And slowly combine all the ingredients together until a nice and smooth dough. Superb. So we need this beautiful dough until the dough doesn't stick to the table. As you can see, it's no flour on the ground, no flour left on the table. It's just a beautiful, smooth dough. And we will leave now this beautiful dough to rest a little bit because it's a little bit too elastic. So let's say 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, our dough is perfectly rest, as you see. Let's now keep going. I show you the ingredients to make our beautiful garniture. For the garnish, we need fine slices of red onions, smoked speck lardon or lard fumé, we call that in our place, fresh and thick yogurt, and of course the beautiful Alsace mozzarella. Rolling pin, plain flour, fresh dough. Let's start. We need to dust near the table with flour. So I need a rectangular shape because my tray is a rectangle. So let's now roll out this beautiful pâte à pain, which is a bread dough. Oh, it's very, very nice, very smooth. I loved it. So you can feel the thickness between your fingers to see if it's very, very regular. Okay, let's see, it's beautiful rectangle. Yeah, a bit more. Et voila! Ready? 1, 2, 3. On the tray. This is perfect. Huh? This is perfect. You can fold now the angle lightly like this, carefully. Voilà, just turn the tray to me. Et voilà. Pick now the dough with a fork. This is fun. This is fun to do that at home. Voilà. Allez. This is the fresh and thick yogurt, so use a tablespoon. So you have to be thin. Voilà. The texture, it's fantastic. Alors, not too close from the edge, just like this. The fine slices of onions. So kids, if you do that at home, please ask your mom or dad to slice the onions. Don't do it by yourself. First of all, because you can cry with the onions, which is not very, very fun. And you can cut yourself. Look at this. Wow. This is awesome. Third ingredients, the smoke speck, les petits lardons in French, or the little pieces of bacon. If you are a vegetarian, don't put the bacon. Last ingredient, the Alsatian mozzarella. Look at this. Wow. It's beautiful. I love it. Ready to cook this beautiful tarte flambée in a hot oven at 220-250 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's do it. It's always very, very nice to decorate your beautiful dish with some organic flowers from your garden. Ta-da! I think that's ready. 1, 2, 3. Look at this. This is the perfection. That's available at Le Très-Bon. Take away 25 bucks only. Please come in. Bon appétit. Ouh là là!